Why Warren Buffett does not invest in crypto. When it comes to investing, Warren Buffett is the man to learn from. His long-term investment strategy and ability to spot undervalued companies have made him one of the most successful investors of all time. But there's one thing you won't find in his portfolio: cryptocurrency. Yes, you heard that right. The Oracle of Omaha, the king of value investment, the man who can turn a small sum into a fortune, has yet to dip his toes in the world of digital currencies, and in the words of the legend himself, he never will. In fact, he will never buy Bitcoin, even if someone offers all the Bitcoin to him for $25. But why is he shying away from this rapidly growing market? It's simple: volatility. Buffett is a long-term investor, and he doesn't see cryptocurrency as a viable long-term investment. The value of digital currencies can fluctuate wildly in a short period of time, making it a risky investment. Buffett has always been a fan of investing in companies with a strong track record and a solid business model, and he doesn't see those qualities in cryptocurrency. But it's not just the volatility that's keeping Buffett away from crypto. He also doesn't fully understand it. In an interview with CNBC, he stated, "I don't own any cryptocurrency and I never will." He went on to explain that he simply doesn't understand it well enough to invest in it. And then there's the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency market. Buffett has said that cryptocurrencies basically have no value and they don't produce anything. He believes that without government oversight, digital currencies could be used for illegal activities, such as money laundering and fraud. Another reason why Warren Buffett is skeptical of cryptocurrency is that it does not have a tangible value or intrinsic value. He has stated that cryptocurrencies basically have no value and they don't produce anything. He believes that a currency or an investment should have a tangible value and should have the ability to produce something such as cash flow or dividends. In this regard, he sees stocks of well-established companies that have a solid track record of generating profits and paying dividends as a more viable investment option. Buffett also believes that cryptocurrency is a speculative investment and not a value investment. He thinks that people buying cryptocurrency are betting on its price to go up rather than on the underlying value of the coin or token. He has been quoted as saying, "You can't value Bitcoin because it's not a value-producing asset." He prefers to invest in companies that have a track record of generating profits, cash flow, and paying dividends rather than investing in something that is purely based on speculation. Furthermore, cryptocurrency is not yet widely accepted as a means of payment, and it's not yet a widely used currency. Buffett has stated that if you buy something like a farm, an apartment house, or an interest in a business, you can do that on a private basis, and it's a perfectly satisfactory investment. You look at the investment itself to deliver the return to you. In this regard, he sees cryptocurrency as more of a speculative investment rather than a value-producing investment. In addition, the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency market is also a concern for Buffett. He is not comfortable investing in an asset class that is not regulated. He believes that regulation is necessary to protect investors and prevent fraud and illegal activities. Despite all of his beliefs, what if we tell you that he has invested in crypto one way or another? When it comes to cryptocurrency, the Oracle of Omaha has been a vocal critic, famously saying in a 2018 interview, "I can say almost with certainty that cryptocurrencies will come to a bad ending." But before you dismiss crypto entirely, it's worth noting that Buffett has a different perspective on the technology that powers it: blockchain. Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway and one of the world's most successful investors, has always emphasized the importance of investing in companies that have a strong track record of generating cash flow and profits. But when it comes to blockchain, he sees something that has the potential to change the way we do business. Think about it. Blockchain technology is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. It's secure and transparent and can be used to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase transparency in a variety of fields. And Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway invested in a blockchain-based payments company in 2019, which is a clear indication that he's open to the technology, but not digital currencies. It's not just Buffett. Many financial institutions and large companies are exploring the use of blockchain technology in their operations and processes. It has the potential to bring significant benefits to various industries, and that's why it's worth paying attention to. So while Buffett may not be a fan of cryptocurrency, he recognizes the potential of blockchain technology. This highlights the important distinction between the two. and that the technology behind digital currencies is worth keeping an eye on, separate from the current state of cryptocurrencies. Comparing different assets with cryptocurrency. Number 1. Gold. In contrast, according to the billionaire, if he has to invest in a coin, he will choose gold. Gold has been a store of value for centuries and has a long history of maintaining its value over time. Buffett has also pointed out that gold can be used in a variety of industries, such as jewelry and technology, whereas the use cases for cryptocurrencies are limited. In contrast, the gold market is heavily regulated and transparent, making it a safer investment. Furthermore, Buffett has also noted that the current market capitalization of the entire cryptocurrency market is a fraction of the market capitalization of gold. This further emphasizes his belief that gold is a more stable and secure investment than cryptocurrencies. Number 2. Farmlands. Buffett has spoken highly of the value of farmland as an investment. He has stated that owning farmland is a good thing to do, and that it is a valuable asset that can provide a steady stream of income in the form of rent or crop yields. Additionally, farmland tends to appreciate in value over time as the population grows and the demand for food increases. Number 3. Apartment houses. Buffett argued that both the housing market and the crypto market can be speculative and unpredictable, but there are key differences between the two. One major difference is that housing is a tangible asset that can be used for shelter and has intrinsic value. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are purely digital assets that have no intrinsic value and are not backed by any tangible assets. In his own words, and I quote, "If you said for a 1% interest in all the farmland in the United States, pay our group $25 billion, I'll write you a check this afternoon. For $25 billion, I now own 1% of the farmland. If you offer me 1% of all the apartment houses in the country and you want another $25 billion, I'll write you a check. It's very simple." Now, if you told me you own all of the Bitcoin in the world and you offered it to me for $25, I wouldn't take it, because what would I do with it? I have to sell it back to you one way or another. It isn't going to do anything. The apartments are going to produce rent and the farms are going to produce food. But despite all these concerns, investors put their money aggressively into the crypto market and faced major losses in 2022. On the other hand, some people became millionaires overnight, and while some may see this as a missed opportunity for Buffett, but he's not one to chase trends. He's a master at playing the long game and sticking to his tried and true investment strategy. And while he may not be investing in cryptocurrency, he's still raking in the profits from his traditional investments. So whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a traditional investor like Buffett, always remember to stay true to your investment strategy and do your own research before investing. With this, we come to the end of this video. I hope this video was informative and you were able to learn something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss another amazing video from us. We will see you in the next one.